Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, y'all? Please hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. I'm already knee deep in the sauce, as you can see. I really
TSLL.
I don't know, man. We'll talk about it.
KTTA,
Let me get out of this hole
TMCWW,
first.
SMX,
But
LAB,
I just watching like
JELD,
KTTA and watching how
CDXS,
diabolically it pulled back.
RDI.
I'm just like, bro, pre-market is not really worth it. Like, cause if I got caught in something like that,
CMBT.
lose like 5-6 R on one trade, no
VUZI.
stop loss.
ORC SMX
It's
halted
just
down.
not worth it.
ADTX, KTTA,
Man, if this thing can crack 4,
NIO. DUST.
man, KTTA
ICO.
is just wild.
TSLL.
Like, look at this. What the heck?
KTTA.
Yeah, it's kind of
LAC.
wild with this one.
IREN.
I was playing the top side at 390 and that broke down, and then I started playing this
SNDK.
level down here,
APLD.
this little area.
KTTA
KALA.
halted to the upside.
KTTA,
Got a little zealous here, got
ICO.
wicked out, and then
ICOI.
really liked it after I saw that
IRE.
wick, so I jumped right
TGB.
back in.
DBLT. KTTA.
Started the line
ONCY.
pretty red. That's kind of makes me want
VUZI.
to keep my risk
AXTI.
super low so I can have swings. Sometimes I just, well, I gotta start to get more
PABS.
discipline, so that's not a
DBLT.
factor, but sometimes it feels like I gotta get the first couple trades
BMNU.
out the way.
LRGC halted. SNDK.
And,
CLSK. HIVE.
dang, bro.
ONMD,
Go or not?
KALA, KTTA, ICOI,
ICOI. IRE.
IRE,
DBLT.
CLSX,
IREX.
IREX, GRO, ONCY,
BTCX
TABS.
halted.
Chat going. Okay,
EXK.
Hold up.
CLSX.
What up, Trex?
JMIA.
Is it still day to day? Nah, I ain't
CAPR.
trying to do it like that. I
ICOI.
just, bro, it's so hard when I sit down and see
USARW.
something testing support to
ICOI.
not try it.
SNDK.
But
CRML.
the
USARW,
stop loss thing is
IRE.
what makes me want to stay out of
IRE.
it more than anything. Like
SMU.
watching KTTA pull back like that.
CLSX.
I'm just like, man, if I was in there,
ONMD,
that would have just destroyed my day. Which I mean,
TABS.
my trading already kind of hit my day pretty good. But I think we're gonna get back out maybe. Yo, what up,
JMIA.
Leon?
FLNC.
USARW,
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I was cool. It was cool.
USARW.
I tried to go to work.
ASM.
That didn't work out. So yeah, I
ABBE.
spent the day at the house with the fam.
ABBEW,
I got
OPEN.
ADTX and KTTA with a little side eye on SMX. just 'cause
NCIQ
it's
may
spotty.
resume in less than a minute.
But,
IPST may
USARW.
resume
main
in less
one
than a
is
minute.
ADTX.
VUZI. USARW.
ABBE,
Yeah. What up, Dirk? Yeah.
ATON,
It's a roll.
SNDK.
He said he's in the hall. What's your average, Dirk?
AG. HL.
USARW, ABBE,
IBRX.
Now,
The
this
UZI.
is where I
CIQ may
usually
res in 10
let it
seconds.
go all the way back
IEXT may res in 10 seconds.
to my entry and miss out
ASM.
on, whatever the
ENTO.
remainder of this trade. What is my outlook for this?
OPEX. IQ.
OPEX,
We got
SMX may
VWAP
resume in
up
less
here
than a
at
minute.
420,
JMIA.
but
ABBE,
got double top
SVM.
here at 403.
AG. VUZI. EXK.
ENTO,
USAS. CDE. GROY.
Hourly
NGD.
look kind of sketch.
ASM.
374.
OPEX.
JMIA. KTTA may resume in less than a minute. BEAT. AG. SBM. MUU.
BEAT.
USA res in 10 seconds.
140.
HL. LRGC may resume in less than a minute.
Dang, bro, that's nice. You bought it right off the open? That
AAUC.
dip at the open?
BUZI. RGTZ.
Kind of want to buy 390 right here.
MBAI. BDCX may
Nice.
resume in less than a minute. GROY.
Kind of want to buy 391, man.
EXK.
But, no, it's already full support. What it do?
AG. KTTA may res in 10 seconds. RIOT.
WAI.
KTTA is open.
WAI. BUZI.
Whoa.
TMCWW.
See, pull it back.
SMX.
Oh, you only have
LRGC may res in 10
RZLVW.
seconds. CIFR.
ONMD.
Lightweight.
SVRA. EXK. BDCX may res in 10
was a buy,
seconds.
dog.
WAI.
RIOT.
Come on, 415, 420.
ONCY.
TMCWW. SMX.
Yeah, 415 would be a
AMBR.
nice little break.
BUZI. CIFR.
USARW.
There we go.
SVRA.
Four.
CLSK.
When we break, I don't know, that look like a lot of work to break
KTTA.
the high right there. Yeah,
WAI.
Hey, let's go. Wish I was there.
TMCWW.
This is pretty
KTTA.
obvious,
ONCY. RIOT.
Very nice.
SMX.
There you go, dirt.
AMBR.
Ooh. Morning, Knives. What's up? He said I'm out. That's what's up.
KTTA.
BEAT. RGTZ.
USARW.
Ooh,
TMCWW.
NCIQ halted.
will it
KTTA.
hold?
CLSK.
Here we go.
Order filled.
Ooh, we'll take that.
KTTA.
Stops going 387.
ONCY.
Top tickle.
ASM.
Don't you love it?
CLSK. RGTZ. RIOT.
Come on, I really want to get my stop right up on the
IPST may resume in less than a minute. CSIQ. ENTO.
ENTO.
Did we make it back yet? All right.
DVS. ASM.
The RR on these support buys. is
MVOT.
ridiculous,
KTTA.
I must say. I must say.
SMX.
IPST may res in 10 seconds.
ONMD.
ENTO.
This looks interesting.
ONMD. CLSX.
This nice
CLSK.
pop in this low volume
ONCY.
pullback. Kind of in a cooler area on the hourly.
KTTA.
VRCA. MVOT.
I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna just trade ATX today. Let's do that.
SMX. ONMD,
CLSX,
Look like that one a wrap.
CLSK, MSTZ,
ABBE,
ONCY, DVS, WULF,
KTTA,
VRCA, MVOT, VUZI, ASM, VMNZ,
Seems to
SMX.
find under $4.
CLSD, ABBE,
CLSX,
that.
MSTZ,
VRCA, ONMD,
DVS, MVOT,
Oh, snaps. Dang, I missed that one.
VRCA, ONMD, ADTX,
Dang.
VUZI,
That was real nice to get a little
VMNZ.
sell right there. Ah, look at that
CLSD.
SMX play.
SMX,
It was it.
ABBE,
That was it.
ONMD,
Yeah, I missed that sale up there. Let me get out after this. Makes sense to stay under
JMIA.
390 though.
GROY,
What's this?
WS,
388.
RIOT,
Man,
NXTT
ENT.
halted to the upside,
SMX.
There you go.
CLSK, CLSX, WULF,
VRCA,
MRAL,
ONMD,
We still got room. We got room.
NCIQ may resume in less than a minute.
Man, I'm kind of feeling salty. I didn't jump in SMX right here.
SMX halted to the upside,
US 416.
ENTO, SMX,
CLSK, IPST halted to the upside,
Oh yeah, my bad, bro. I got,
WULF.
my squawk is going. Yeah, this just wasn't like a really like great entry. Like everything's wide range. Like I would have been a 32.50 by 29 stop. It's just like nah. And the volume wasn't really calling me like I like it to call me. Now if we can get over that high. Now. Dang, bro, I should have been ready to sell at 415 though. On GP, but I gotta sell. What is this? Like 409-ish? That's cool. That's cool. Mm-mm. Situation over here at $4. Whoa. Whoa. $420 would be kind of cool. VWAP's 417. KTTA. Trey, did you levels 105, 119, and 134? Oh yeah, we way over that. I don't really see no support though. I had to get that mug down. Way down. Come on, it's up. It's up. Ooh-wee. Ah. This thing is jumpy. 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles up. I don't know, you got that indecision candle after the open. Doesn't look too bad. 2 green candles up. Nice close on this candle. Ain't no telling. I do like the hourly though. 154 and 144 on KTTA. Yeah, I was liking that. I got a moving average on my watch chart right here, and it was testing it right there. Yeah, I was thinking about it. What up, HH? Nah, not yet, bro. Still struggling. That was nice on KTTA. I just didn't see like a clear level for that joint. You said you had 154. Yeah. Almost there. Yeah, or back over 414, I think it's up. How did this not register on the hourly though at 415? That's weird. Whoa, SMX, bro. SMX. I could have took one share or something right there. Golly. Filled the boat. Ah, that's what's up, HH. Why am I looking now? I tried to mess with SMX earlier, but I was up a little too high with my entries there. Yeah, I mean, I could have used the chart to get in lower on SMX. Oh, you mean like down here? Yeah, I wasn't watching it. I'd be watching like a hawk to catch that price action. But like, I'm definitely interested in taking these. Like, I gotta be watching it though to really get the feel for it. Man, bro, this looks saucy, but I ain't messing with it. It got the lower high right here. Probably come back down. I don't know. And you took the one share. I'm telling you, man. Sometimes I just want to be there. Like, you know. What's it known for? Hey, I don't need to be in there for a long time, HH. I just need, you know. ONMD. Good moves indeed.
Order filled.
Ah. Look at the crash out. Shout out to my stop loss for holding me down. Ugh. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. Change your name to No Trade Days. Yeah, y'all allergic to money. That's funny. There goes those SMX back down to 35. Dumpster sauce. It's got a nice daily on it. $2 looks like a pretty good level. It's up there now, 175. This thing come back down to 175. I could mess with it.
Order filled.
I feel kind of reckless. Yeah, they trapped it real good. Yeah, I just called out waiting for, oh no, that was a different stock. Yeah, this is way up high. Godspeed. Right under pre-market high too. It's pretty wild. It's just like seeing this again. Just like, bruh. I'm nervous though. Yeah,
Order filled.
yeah, that was my bad. That was my bad. It's cool on these gambles. Yeah, I got it up on the chart. I mean, I'm not buying no high day breaks and stuff like that. So, I mean, this is bad enough up here.
Order filled.
Yeah, I was definitely wanting to add on that higher low on ADTX. Damn, is that all I was gonna get out of it? Damn. Pooh Shiesty Big Burr. Mm.
Order filled.
Ichiro single. Yeah, I think I want to take SMX off. It's too much.
Order filled.
It looks dead on the hourly, honestly. But I just like the action here. It feels like that right now for sure. This is real to me, bro. Thanks, Trey. If this wick holds on KTTA though. Stop playing wicks. I mean, I'm playing it through the support though. I'm just not. Man, I gotta keep that stop tighter, bro. This is ridiculous.
Order filled.
Thanks, HH. Yeah, I hear you, Stanford. Yeah, I can see that. Man, I don't like those two green candles right there. Okay, that's better. Need a new high. It's an adder right there. We get to here. I'm gonna take a piece and then we'll go to break even. How bad we looking? Oh Lord, how did this happen?
Order filled.
Wow. Yeah, it wasn't nothing on the five telling me to trade that at all, other than it being here. You know, 15. I took SMX off. Oh wow. Hmm. Grab popcorn and chill. Sounds easy. That's 390 and I did nothing.
Order filled. Order filled.
You don't like two over there, Trey? That's some heavy volume to kick back though to jump in after. And that five looked bad. Dirk.
Order filled.
Mhm. Dang, is it going that high? I feel so all over the place right now. Like my trading is a joke.
Order filled.
This one I like. Yeah, I know. I definitely can see that. Yeah, I definitely can see that. Ugh. Yeah, I know, right? Nice. It's going down, Knives. Morning, OG. Hmm. Man, the whole month, OG? Did you trade anything this month? That looks pretty good. That looks cool on 15 too. I'm super excited about December. Damn.
Order filled.
Yeah. That's what's up. Why I keep coming back to ONMD? I actually meant to take it off of my chart after that last loss.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's hilarious what you said, HH, about ONMD. Yeah, that's super clean, bro. That's that area I was telling you about, Trey. I liked it. ADTX. I'm chilling, man. I'm just trying to sell the pops. You know, always looking for high of day, always looking for pre-market high, but um I'd like to get another piece off through high of day and just kind of, you know, see where it goes, see where the high volume pops come in, hit the sell button. Oh, snaps. What's going on here?
Order filled.
Gotta sell something. Wow, that's what's up. Yeah, it is dirt. Just been messing around today, kind of. I mean, not trying to mess around, but I'm mad at this trade. I'm not mad at this trade. No, I think I'm mad at both of these trades. This looked disgusting on the 5-minute chart. There was no permission given to take that. And everything's popping right now except for ONMD, which I never should have been in. Yeah, 3 at once. You know how I roll, Dirk. Come on, baby. Give me that higher day. Give me that squeezer. What I got? 43 shares left. Dang, that's up there though, huh? Huh. It's that support, bro. Big volume. Need to put that stop loss in though. $390 area is definitely support, but it always penetrates. So that's why I want to put my stop right at 388 or something. See what that pullback looking like. 80 mil at 75. You gonna hold it down there? You see where my stop is at, bro? Right under this wick right here. Dang, bro, I got destroyed on KTTA. 1, 2, 3, 3 stops. Man, the RR on this trade is pretty good. I did double down on it, but amazing RR. Come on, man, give me that pop. Stretch them legs out. All right, Dirk. I sure am hoping. It's looking pretty sketchy. My stop's out the way, but this thing is what we got? 223s. Yeah, all I needed to do was trade ADTX. I said that too. After I started taking profit on ADTX, I said, you know, I think I'm just gonna trade ADTX today. 3 tickers later at 75. What you talking about? You talking about ONMD? Hope it's a trampoline. That's really where I should have been that where I said I was gonna wait for my next entry was pre-market high 175 area. Yeah, I need to get out of this joint. ADTX is grinding. Isn't even, I know. SMX doing. Jeez. Dang, it went to 60. That's crazy, bro. And I was scared to buy this. Yeah, that's my bad. I get bored while I'm waiting for the stock and play to set up again and start looking for other things to do. I think that's really what happens. Back to 75 cents, bro. How will I fix it in December? I think just realizing this more and more that I can really do my best days will be uh picking the one and just trading the one. I mean, maybe some days there'll be two, but usually if I'm trading two, I'm missing something. Like there's a trade that I missed on one of them by trading two. So I don't really know if it's really that if it's efficient, like if it's really benefiting me trading two things when I'm missing, opportunities on one side or the other. Um, but yeah, to me, like ADTX was the clear one to trade today, and me and Trey was talking about it. It's the only one that was like really worth looking at. But in those days, if I can just keep that one stock up and not even look at the other ones, yeah, it's definitely gonna take some practice. Something I could have been doing during this month, huh? Why is it the one? Um, I thought I had a better daily, honestly. But decent gap in volume. Did it even have news? I didn't even look at the news. I don't even, bruh. Once I see 20 million on the volume, I'm pretty much like, yo, I ain't got no news. There it is. Of course, it didn't have news. Hey, we up though. City boys. Oh, snap. Back to break even. Oh, that 15 looking saucy. Back over 203. We green in November. November didn't exist. Mm. See, AJ, you ain't been here to spread your catalyst wisdom in a few months, bro. I'm glad you made it back. I'm just like super technical. Yo, KTTA.
Order filled.
We'll take another one there. Just selling quarters because I'm trying to get some meat off of this bone. Yeah, I see ONMD creeping too. Boy, buying that support can make a good trade out of some garbage too. Like if you're gonna buy some garbage, at least buy it at the bottom, you know? At least buy it at the bottom. I mean, not that this was the bottom, but these wicks are attention getters, man. Ooh, imagine 185. I'm going break even on this puppy. Ooh, we got over that 15-minute high. That's super cool. All right, Dirk, I got some hope now for high of day. Oh, snap. KTTA 160. I want 185, bro, honestly. What we looking like? That 5 just got started. Oh, that 5 is looking good.
Order filled.
Still something right there. Had a pretty nice wall at 160. Put my limit to 216 and walk away. Man, that's barely 1-to-1. In one ear, out the other. Hold on, man. Strange. Could have sworn TA was saying this the whole time. What'd he say the whole time? Remind me, what are we talking about? Oh, buying got support. Hey, I'm a believer now, bro. Look at that. Pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. I freaking love it, bro. Look at this buy. The dippity dip dip. That's what it's all about, man. Y'all should have told me a long time ago.
Order filled.
We done on ADTX. Not bad. That's funny. Nah, I'm just a little hard headed, man. It takes quite a few bumps on the noggin for the things to start clicking. I need 183, bro, on my next sale. Real talk. Life. Ouch. I wish I didn't sell this one and waited for 160 for that, and then I'd be chilling. But I don't know. It's hard to feel bad about selling, honestly. Yeah, I'm super like the catalyst is like I don't know. I guess it definitely gives you perspective, but the volume is the main thing I'm looking for. Let's go. Dirk said 216. Right. 5 to 60. we. Go on and cook then. Wow, I don't have any shares on ONMD. Yeah. Gonna be tough to make that. Well, I'm only down 1R though. I just say that don't matter at all. Oh, snap.
Order
I'll
filled.
take some of that.
Order filled.
Nah. Can we get the squeezy fo sheezy? Nah. Thanks, Dirk. Now 240. Yeah, I'm gonna hold for that because I ain't got no shares for real. Look at these. Look at that. Oh, snap. New high day. Down but never out. Them RRs, bro. Kind of sad about that. Why you had to come do me like that? I don't know. I might have to take a higher low on the one off of 390. Magic 8 ball. What up, Joe? Yeah, I agree. Once I saw it break this high on the 15, Joe, I was like, we good. We good. And look at us basking in the goodness. Come on, 240. Dirk said 240. I need 240, dog. I'll take 238. We can settle out of court right now for 238. Let me add to this tray.
Order filled.
I wish I didn't do that. I feel like I was coming to a nice place on my ads with not doing them so much. Adding is just, it feels so like a part of my situation. Not as much as volume and dilution. Almost. Almost, OG. We working on it. All right, Dirk. Thanks for hanging out, man. I'm looking for 240 on ONMD. Man. Low key, I want to get back in this. High key. Look at the wick on the 15 and the 5, bro. Hourly just bounced. Fam. I know that's a resistance buy though. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it, Trey. But bruh, this mug is gonna go. Damn it. Maybe it'll give me one more. Just do it. What is this? uh, well, the ad didn't take too much from it. What's this low? 52. This needs to be 49 at least. Yeah. You synced it. I did, bro. Look at the 5, bro. Lower high on the 15, got bought right back up. I need some red though. I gotta try to get 390 on it if I'm gonna take it. Can't be buying up at the top no more. That's dead. Dang, only the D pulled back quite a bit. A little high on the buy. Eh? Just do it. I know, right? I don't know. It's kind of sus that this thing didn't run though. 10 seconds left on that candle. We ain't had no buyers step in a minute though. They gonna step in all at once and it's just gonna pop. Damn, we got the higher low on the 15 though. I'm gonna wait for a higher low on the 5. We kind of got it right there though. I'm gonna wait. That looks cool. Thanks, HH. I don't feel like I'm like totally like nuts right now. I'm just I'm not validating my ideas all the way through before I jump in. And like then I'm after I jump in and I'm like, "Oh wait, you know." So I got to put more weight on hitting that button for sure. Come on, KTTA. Right there on the cusp of greatness. Five looks really nice too. Back over 160 and I'm comfortable. Public offering 60 mil at 75 instead of 80. Just one poop. Yeah. I think if I wanted to dump it though, I would want to dump it up here somewhere. But maybe they feel like this is as high as they're gonna get it. Okay, it came on down.
Order filled.
Wow. ATTA look like it's about to
Order
get me
filled.
off. Yeah. Bad ad. Bad ad. But it was a break even ad. So like the ad just took away my unrealized profit. I didn't really lose anything there.
Order filled.
Whoa. Okay. Break even out on ONMD. So we're still down 2R on the day.
Order filled.
That's way too aggressive, huh? He said, bro. Rocky might not make it today. Man, I gotta wait for the penetration. You got me rolling. I almost got right back in KTA right there. These big crash outs have just become really interesting buy areas, like the straight crash into support. But I could definitely wait for some sort of confirmation after, like this right here, higher low or double bottom at that same level. Low volume on these two candles. Just gotta hold that low. Nice little wall at 198 there. Man.
Order filled.
Wow. Yeah, Grace. That's why that stuff like that. Why I don't want to trade pre-market, man. Cause like
Order filled.
that happened in pre-market, bro, I would have no protection. That's what I gotta wait for, a narrow range buy. Yeah, straight up HH. It's like literally forbidden. Dang, look at that level, bro. Right back again. Mm-mm-mm. KTTA. Z price action. We got the 15-minute. We got a lower high here, but then it looks like it's making a higher low at VWAP right there on the 15. I like this volume profile. It's like buyer stepped in, pulled back, held up pretty good. So I guess it's more price action based. And right down to the level. This is what I mean, trade. Just like buying it right off the level on GP. Said none. None. Look at this. It's clean. Clean, clear, and under control, son. So everything except support. It's got the 150 level. Oh, we gonna get pre-market high this time? I got two things jumping right now. $167. It's like I'm so used to reading price action. I can't pass this up. But I think so too, OG. I'm super excited. Thanks, bro. Mm. My first KTA trades. These up here. Nah, this was trash though. This was bad because of the 5. We got this lower high right here. It was bad. Trade without knowing my results. What do you mean? I just want to get my patience down where I'm buying here and not here. Not like this. Ah, yeah. Man, I really want to get the pre-market high again. That would be such a clutch move. Yeah, that's look at this, bruh. See, I should have waited, bro. A little more patience. A little more patience. You gotta be ready to miss the trade. That's the problem, man. I just like don't want to miss it so bad that I'll take the bad feel. I'll take the high price before I miss the trade. When like a lot of times, if I would just be willing to miss the trade, I would get a way better entry. Come on with it. Come on with it. I need that 183, dog. I hate that I gotta take my stop out to put in a limit order. There we go. Come on, squeezy, squeezy. ONMD looking good. This is looking kind of good. That's a buy right there. Cool though. Here we go. Oh, we sitting on some auras. I need that pre-market high though. Okay, we breaking this. What's this high? 67. We got 67 right there. I know you gotta sell highs on GP, but I just come on, bro. Come on, bro. You got one more pop in you. I can feel it. Come on. That ask is stacked.
Order filled.
I gotta take something off. Ooh, I want that.
Order filled.
Getting it all out of my system, right? What happened with ONMD? I know, right? The demo doesn't even give me that much buying power though. It's like super whack. I wonder if I can change that in the settings. Ah, come on now. What's this low? 2. Yeah, go right there. All right, for real this time. I'm holding for 183. Well, my hotkey, I set my risk in my hotkey. So when I hit, double click to tell the key where I want to put my stop, and then I hit the key, and it calculates the current price, the distance from the current price to my stop, and calculates my shares based on that. So $10 risk, my entries have been giving me, 100 to 200 shares. Man, I want to add on ONMD too, bro. R wise, yeah, I'm gonna do $10. I think any less than that, I kind of want to do 5 to give myself room, but I think that'll make it not weigh enough. You know what I mean? So I think 10 is a good spot where it'll hurt my feelings if I take a bad trade, and I'll feel more responsible than if I did like 5 or $2 or something like that. So I think, man, we cooking, bro. Straight cooking. Yo, if this gets up to 80s, the day is back. Straight up. We got 37 unrealized, 3.48 unrealized right now. Pretty nifty. Shoot. Nice little pop right here. Just back up to resistance there. Would be a good day process wise. Nah, for sure, no. I mean, I've gotten some good things out of this day for sure, and I've taken some good trades, but I've definitely uh taken some trades I'd rather not take, that I don't want to take, live for sure. Come on, bruv. Got 70s. Need them 80s, dog. Gotta sell them levels sometimes. I'm trying to hold for pre-market, but it's hard to not sell them high volume pops like that. Fourth green candle up on the 5, but the 15 look like it's just getting started. But the 5, it definitely needs a pullback. Let's go just under 50, man. That's a long way down from my entry, though. 4 cent. 4 cent on 150 shares. Yeah. Solid ad spot right there. Ooh. KTTA bounce. I had the red to green move on that ticker. That 15 looks so solid though. Damn. They needed a big pullback like this. The 5 was going up for a minute. But I think the 15 is looking pretty good. Did we get the higher high? Yeah, we got the higher high too. Just don't know how much it's going to want to pull back though. It's this low 45. That would be like the most solid, but that's like way too much risk. Yeah. Wow. Hey, look at that. That looks pretty good. Man, KTTA is not going to do it. It might. This could be the moment, actually. That 5 looking crazy. Yeah, this was a nice little hammer time right here. I seen it. I seen it. Yeah, that was clean on the 5. That's a good question. Nice. Let's nail that out, man. So this is what I was rolling with. Guess I should put that. We're gonna put that about right there. I'm waiting for the higher low on 5. That's a good question. I think that would keep me out of a lot of trouble. But these aren't necessarily the rules, though. Rules for December. All right. So 1R equals $10. Max loss. Didn't have the 5-minute conference. Yeah, I need to go through that and decide about that. I don't think it's. You talking about this trade down here? What did I see on the 5? Yeah, that was definitely not 5-minute at all. Hold up. Max loss. That's a curious one for me. I mean, it's kind of based on my last couple years of trading. Like risk per trade and max loss is kind of a dynamic part of trading that you adjust based on your performance. Yeah, max loss is super important for me. Like my broker max loss, like kicked out of the platform max loss. It don't even count if it don't kick me out the platform. Yeah, the 3R part. The 3R part, it feels like that's not enough. But only when I start out reckless. Like the pain from the recklessness usually kind of whips me into shape, and a lot of times I can get it back. But I don't want to like give myself a leash to be reckless and be like, okay, you can be this reckless.
Order filled.
Damn, what was that? ADTX. Gave up all my green on ADTX. I mean, I didn't have a lot because I started in the hole, but I think I was up 17 on ADTX, which is pretty much each day if we be in 100. That sucks. Why max loss is necessary. Oh, here's one for sure. No stop loss equals no pre-market. Will not be trading pre-market at all.
Order filled.
There goes ONMD. Dang, bro. Back up to the deep red. It's all on you now. KTTA. It's all on you. Heard that before. I still want SMX. Come on, baby. Give me that pre-market high. Man, this is a high though for sure right here. Yeah, that's facts. That's facts. That's facts. These trades really do mean a lot to me though. Like I think I'm pretty good at demo trading. I really want to jump in SMX here, but I'm not. It's no point. It's not even a good trade. It was a good trade down here. Now it's late, but Anyway, let's see if we can get that to pre-market and focus on the rules. All right. So absolutely no pre-market trading. No stop loss, no pre-market. It's too dangerous for my account. So max loss. I need y'all help on this one, man. Nah, there's no way max loss is more than 3R. There's no way. There's no way I come out and take 3 trades in a row that are bad and then keep trading. But how is that gonna stop unless I, like, if I do that 3 days in a row, come in here and just lose 3 trades in a row off recklessness, like, not because I took 3 good trades that just didn't work, but just like coming in here gunslinging, I need the kick out to be like, okay, this is not okay. But if I keep giving myself room and then I keep digging myself out of the hole and it's like, this is just my thing, I go red and then I go green, like, I don't want that. I don't want that. I can make my first trade a really good trade and then build off of that. So if I need to have a couple max loss days at 3R to get my act together, then that's just gonna what it needs to be. Yeah, so definitely 3R. I almost want to say 2R. Ooh, look at that greenie. Man, it's hard not to sell a piece. But I need that 180. Ooh, we getting there. We getting there. $161. I'm gonna go 159 on my stop. All right, max loss 3R. Did I need to be first on this ADTX trade? Like, what could I have done? I saw the wick. Like this, I think this would have been the better entry. Yeah, that part too. I have a bad habit of trading without drawing my lines. But I think without trading pre-market, because what happens pre-market is I'll sit down and I'll pull up a stock. This ain't a good shirt for the stream. I'll pull up a stock and I'll like what I see, like just off first impression. I'll be like, "Ooh, that looks nice." And I won't even zoom out and draw my levels or nothing, and I'll just start trading that thing. But if I completely delete pre-market trading, then I know when I sit down for pre-market, I'm not trading and I'm just looking through the charts. And I think that'll kind of put a buffer in between pulling the chart up and giving me time to map out levels. Oh snap, I got an affiliate request. KCEX, a leading exchange in terms of liquidity, lowest trading fees, no KYC, no VPN, and one of the fastest token listings. People are still trading crap coins. I guess we're still trading penny stocks, huh? All right, the setup. The setup. Hmm. That's what's up, HH. 75%, bro. Love that. Um, I think I do want to wait. I do want to wait for the higher low on the one. I don't necessarily need it on the five. The five can't be in a. Look this ADTX trade again, bro. Man, this is like a special situation where you get the climactic move down, though. You a hater, dog. Mm. I think the main thing is support. Uh, ending ball into support. Higher low on the one. All right. So must draw my support and resistance before trading a stop. Man, look at that. What is this? I knew SMX was fun to go. I needed that one. I synced it. Right, you're right.
Order filled.
Dang, bro, I didn't get nothing out of that trade. I should have left my stop back if I hadn't taken profit, but that was stupid. Anyway, on to the important stuff. All right, so step one, pull up the chart. Do I have daily requirements? I think it at least got like minimum got to be over previous day's high. Like, what are we talking about if it's not over previous day's high? I guess second day runners don't be over previous day's high necessarily. So I don't know if that's necessarily a criteria either. H. Job said, how do you achieve that 75%? Yeah, hop in the Discord. Links in the description. Look at that, bro. I'm going to take it again now. Oh, I did take some profit. Okay. I just didn't hit it again right there when I should have, especially after this pop. I hate not taking profit. I told you, man, I synced it, bro. I synced it. uh, Fires on the ball. It's a lot of time the second days have gapped over previous days high. I think I do kind of want to keep that. It seemed like all the solid plays have 20 million when I pulled them up too, as far as volume. HH in the voice chat now. Oh snap. Pond took ADTX too. Oh. Oh, okay. The affiliate request somebody who joined the Discord. That's cool. Pond took ADTX. Got in down here-ish. Did I get a better entry though? I don't know. This is very clean. Actually, both of these entries is pretty fire. This entry was cool. I just needed to sell into 390. Like, duh. I started to too. This should have been selling into 390, stop break even. And I would have got like a little R and a half or something. This looks good, but it's not a good entry. That's another thing I need to learn to differentiate something that looks bullish and something that has a good entry to take a trade. Okay. So I'm not trading in pre-market. All right, Joe, you too, bro. We in the same boat, man. No stop loss, no pre-market. Ending volume into support. Higher low on the one. Buyers on volume. Take. That was a really nice pattern into support, though. I think I need to. I definitely need to minimize the amount of stocks I watch too. Three almost seems like too much. No, I didn't watch it with my eyeballs yet. I've listened to it twice though. I've listened to it twice, but I haven't watched it with my eyeballs. Is that some homework? It's not an audiobook. Am I not in any positions? This is sad. I got a problem. All right, we good, Knives? What else I need to work through here? I definitely need to be aware of buying resistance. Best position I've been in today. Whatever. That's funny though. Nah, yeah. Bro, the first thing I said today was I'm gonna just trade ADTX. And that would have been real cool. That would have been real cool. She looking ready, but right here, just waiting to bump his head on 390. I just asked you. uh all right. So absolutely no trading pre-market because of no stop loss. One trade, 1R is $10. Max loss is 3R. I have to draw my support and resistance lines before trading. Can't be trading a naked chart without my levels drawn. Um, yeah. So on my entry, I want to see it pull into support on some climactic volume, like some ending volume. Man, this is so nice right here. Got the 5, higher high on the 15. It just feels high. I can see it now a little bit, Trey. I can see the like the little mini ranges inside and how I be wanting to catch this breakout, but I'm literally buying the top of the range right here. You know what I mean? So I get it. I get it. This is gonna be the trip to 85 right here, man. And I just sat here and watched it. Honestly, I feel like I got a pretty decent connection with time and sales. Like I didn't like I not without any like formal education, but you know, when I'm sitting in a position, like I'm looking at the level two, I'm looking at the time and sales. And you know, you can tell when it's super bullish and when it's super bearish. And then you kind of got all these in between times where it's like that's where I like that screenshot you sent me where, you know, you can actually quantify like this means this. It's like, yeah, I've seen that a bunch of times, but oh, okay, this specifically means this. And it helps you, you know, quantify it a little bit. But um like yeah, a lot of times when I'm getting ready to take a position and then I see this thing flip out, you know, that tells me like something's happening. Still hard. Well, no, I'm not saying like I got it or anything, but I'm just like I see the significance. Like I see things happening here when it gets to these significant areas. I see the bids and asks stacking and I, kind of just watch the time and sales churn through, and then you see sometimes you see a whole bunch of sales going through, and this joint don't move at all. And you're like, damn, all that and nothing happened. So then you start learning about soaking and all those things. So it definitely doesn't feel as abstract as it did a couple months ago, but still much to learn about it. But I mean, honestly, the volume and the pattern is like a lot close to enough. Like I could see getting an extra edge from the tape in level 2, but I could see completely removing it and doing okay by reading price and volume too. What I can't see is removing the chart and trading just time and sales. Yeah, no doubt, Knives, no doubt. Kind of like in the same category of paying for expensive tools when, that's not making you or breaking you. Your dumb decisions are making or breaking you, you know. So, yeah, that click right there is super clutch though, Trey. Like just that understanding when you be like you're buying at resistance, like even though if you look at it on the 5, it's a different story. Like it's still kind of buying at the highs though. Yeah, I want to get down here. I'm getting there. Back to your setup. ADD. Bro, I got all these candlesticks flying all over the place, bro. It's hard to stay focused. Um Okay, so yeah, my entry criteria is I want to see climactic volume into support, and then I want to see a higher low. I want to wait for either a higher low or double bottom on the 1 to get in, and along with that, I want to see some buyers. Like I want to see some spikes in volume. Um, my Sainted is getting pretty solid though, Trey. I ain't gonna hold you. All right, but yeah. So like right here on KTTA, if I can explain what I mean. Um, all right, so here I kind of got too many levels up here now. Was 155 ever even a good level? I don't think so. I think that needs to go. Yeah, that needs to go. All right. So we got this 140 level. Climactic move into it. Right? And big volume spike into that level. And then so now we're here at the level, but we're waiting for a higher low. So then it pulls back again, which honestly, I usually want to see another low made after this big climactic push down. Usually it does one more. So boom, we get another one that actually gets some good penetration through the level and another big volume spike. Now, instead of jumping in right there, wait for the higher low or double bottom and wait to see some buyers come in. So this is a cool little volume spike compared to the last few red candles and green candles. And so now we get in here, stop under the lows. So yeah, this is climactic volume into the level, wait for the higher low. Stopping it from going down. I feel like that when it's a wick, but like when it closes at the low, like this one, I feel like the buyers didn't really step in until here. And then sellers came back and then buyers. But you know, who knows? They're absorbing. Yeah, I get it. And that's why I like to see that climactic volume into the like my guy Jared from Live Traders called the ending volume. Like it signals the end of the move. And then you look for the reversal. These aren't official enough, you think, knives? Narrow range or hammers with high volume. Yeah, that makes sense with the narrow range too. Um, till January 1st. Okay. That's a super deal. I like that a lot. All right, what's missing? I think I'm going to stop at 11 also. Trading window 9:30 to 11. No pre-market. Max loss $10. Respect, Trey. Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. The only thing that might change, oh, for sure, Trey, for sure. I need you to win with me, bro. We got things to do in the future. Um, Damn, what was I about to say? Oh, this max loss won't change, but I have some goals for increasing my risk. Um, and actually decreasing my risk if you know I start out real bad, I'm probably gonna drop down to $5. So I need to get that together too. Um, hmm. What you think? 6R down, we gotta drop risk. Be like 2 max loss a days in a row, or is that not enough? Hmm. Focus. Where's focus? I don't see focus. Focus, you in here? I gotta adjust Ben's chart because Ben's chart is like on a 4 2 4 8 16. I want to use Multiples of fives. Yeah, bro. Focus where you at, dog. All right, moderators. Let's see here. My guy at community moderation, blocked words, user management. Go to chat and select all messages. Oh. Oh, man. That sucks, bro. Look like I didn't miss. You just started talking. I don't know, man. You been focused this up? Dang, bruh. My bad. Nah, it's got a category that says top chat. Some messages may not be visible. Like, okay. All right, I gotta remember to set that at live chat every time we get started. Oh, look at that. Make me want to put that 150 level back on there now. Wow, that's cool. All right, so man, that sucks, bro. I'm so sorry, Focus. I'm so sorry. I thought I saw you in here yesterday though, Focus. It's just today. I ain't never not seen you in here. I don't know. We got I think Focus is looking at higher time frame and EMA crosses. What you got, Knives? About turning off live chat so you don't see Focus. Oh, a setup is broken down into factors: entry rules, exit rules, stop rules. Oh, okay. All right, I got my stock in play. I got my entry criteria along with the two patterns that I want to enter in. Ooh, look at that. Climactic volume into the low, higher low, boop boop. Kinda some buyers. Got this nice double test right here. Hmm. All right. So I'm missing exit rules and stop rules. Where is it? Super tab. Hmm. Stop goes 2 cent under support, which would be, I mean, that's obvious, right? Slash last 5 minute low. I kind of been feeling a way about moving my stop up to break even. Like, I feel like it should just stay at support. But of course, you don't want to keep a risk on the trade after it's already made the move. So that doesn't make sense. Um, hmm. I think after first take profit, stops should go BE. Exit rules must sell at previous resistance. Sell. I kind of want to be paper handed. Yeah, I kind of want to be paper handed. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. This getting this high and not selling that. That's terrible. Which is another reason why I need to trade fewer tickers at the same time. It's hard for me to make a rule for that. Test forward. One stock at a time. Do I want to be rich or not? I definitely would like to be rich. I think I was right with you on there too. Rich equals sacrifice. Yeah. Mm. Is that pretty obvious that one of my big shortcomings is trading multiple tickers? I feel like that's like a unanimous thing that I'm not accepting from the inside, but you guys can all see it. I'll put it on my rule right now. If you guys be like, bro, you got to stop trading multiple tickers. I've had Dirk say it, Knives, OG, Trey. Everybody I love and respect in the game. uh, damn the FOMO though. You've never seen me make money trading multiple tickers? Okay, Ben. Not consistently. Well, I haven't done anything consistently. But like most of my trading days have multiple actually, all my best days have one or two tickers traded. Actually, all my best days only have one. Usually there's one ticker that stands out on my P&L. And the rest of them are usually crap. Sometimes I'll have two really good ones. But usually it's one. Yeah, I do have them all on YouTube. I trade whatever is up. That's why, like, in my head, I'm like, if I only take good support trades, it doesn't matter how many tickers I trade. All right, I'm taking off. I'm taking off my chart. I got two charts to watch. I'm gonna save it right now. Um, my best days were they more than two tickers? Let me see here. Yeah, that part for sure. I can definitely see having more than two stocks up is a problem. And what I'm doing is instead of being like actually being a big boy and making a decision on what the best thing is to watch, I'm just gonna watch them all because FOMO. FOMO, yeah, that's what it is. I don't want to miss any moves, so I want to, I want to cast my net out as far as possible. But I end up missing moves doing that because my intention is to spread out. I am definitely not built for one to one, man. Yeah, that's it, OG. That's it for sure. New high day on SMX halted up at 62.14. That looked pretty good right there on KTTA. After like this tweezer type, I always want to wait for another pullback, and that was pretty solid. Free scanner, free everything. Yeah. All right. Mm. I think I traded most of those too. But now, now I got my journal back, so the tracking will step up a lot going forward for December. So everything's gonna be tracked and journaled. I'm gonna do my review videos again every day, God willing. And I want December needs to be a super serious buffer to launch into 2026 next year, next month. And just get to the business, man. Professional, consistent. Yeah, I got to put the 3R with my broker for sure. And what you think, Knives? We good now? Trading in the zone. Man, I need to reread that, bro. I think I'm gonna try to do that before December. I'm gonna listen to that this weekend. Trading in the zone. I don't know if I should listen to my other favorite, Best Loser Wins, because he always makes me want to add. Oh, I guess I need to put that in too. Hmm. Yeah, I've I've listened to that book several times a year since I started trading in 2020. All right. All right, rules for December. Trading window 9:30 to 11. No stop loss, no pre-market. 1R is $10. Max loss is 3R. These are my risk parameters I'm thinking now. If I lose 6R, if I go down 6R, then I'm dropping my risk to 5. And if I get to 15R in the green, then I'm going to raise my risk probably to 20. Direction rule? What you mean? Like long or short? Stocks in play, gap over recent highs, high relative volume, and clear levels to play from. That's one thing I think. Like, if there's no clear support, I don't know. I think I'll end up trying to trade the pre-market support because that's where the volume is, so it does make sense. Um, but yeah, that'll definitely be this. These are the criteria basically that I'll use to pick my two. There it is. Only two stocks on watch. That's a big one. I think this is gonna be a huge one. Yeah, that's gonna be a huge one. uh, hmm. All right, I'm making it official. No adding for December. I think what I can do with the adding is I need to put an accuracy, uh, maybe an accuracy goal. Maybe an accuracy goal. Like when I get over 65% accuracy, I can revisit adding. But for now, no adding. All right, so my stocks in I got my stocks in play. So I've picked my two stocks based on gap, high relative volume, and levels. Um, I feel like that's still super loose, but I mean it don't really need that much. I mean, you top stock on the gap scanner is where I want to be at. Yeah, I do that. I do that sometimes, Ben, and I often override what I said. That's a problem. Like, was it KTTA? One of these I said I was gonna wait for pre-market. I think it was yeah, it was this one. I said I wasn't gonna touch it till it came down here, but I ended up taking a pretty sweet trade on it. And this one's pretty sweet too. Yeah, this turned out to be a pretty solid level. But I like that. How he picking stocks. Okay, I do want to talk about that. Uh this is why I get banned. Yeah, I only trade long focus, so I don't need a direction rule. I absolutely don't take any short trades. Um Once it gets to the scanner, I pull up the daily and see if, see if I it looks like we got some room to run, mark out what I see as resistance levels, and then I dig down at the hourly and look for some support. And uh yeah, if it looks good, I put it on the chart. Yeah, I only take long. So you have a direction rule. What is the direction rule? Just to have it there. All right, here you go, bro. Um, I really don't think picking the stock in play is that much of a problem. I always have the stock in play up. I just have a couple other ones up too. So I think just limiting my watch to two stocks, and I can watch the best two, and that'll just I'll have to pick from them. So that's something that was necessary. I think that'll help a lot. Um, So yeah, and the entry criteria, ending volume into support. I want to see a volume spike on buyers. Like I want to see some buying come in, not that weak stuff where it's just like moving up a little bit, like people are just covering, but like actual like buyers. And then entry pattern, I want to see a higher low or a double bottom on the one. I got to be patient for that. That's really hard. I was buying wicks today without it even closing. I don't want to do that. No adding. Just take my entry, put my stop 2 cent under support, which would be last 5 minute low. After take profit, stop to BE. I gotta stop. Once I'm taking profit, I gotta think like I'm making my way out of the trade instead of like camping out, wanting to sit through a long pullback to see if the next leg will go. Just like one leg at a time, get out of the position, and then reassess for the next trade. That's where I gotta be at. Or based on 4 a.m. times. Hmm. Yeah, I do want a line in the sand too. I get what you mean there. Like I feel like if it's pulled back, like there's always like a level of support to me where if it breaks below that, then I'm done with it. Because I want to trade something that is bullish in the macro. And once the macro is turned bearish, I don't want to play cat bounces, you know. Um So stop rules are pretty. I think my stop is probably one of the best parts of my game. Uh, my stop and risk management. Exit rules must sell at previous resistances, and uh, move up stop as climactic volume comes in. Be ready. All right, OG. Man, that's what's up. Trey, over the last 3 months. Hey, I'm looking forward to it, OG. It's going down. Um, I guess this needs to be okay, that's fine right there. Okay, I'm feeling good about this. No adding takes out a lot of issues. 2 stocks on watch takes out a lot of issues. No pre-market takes out a lot of issues. No trading after 11 takes out a lot. Like, these are all the rules that I know for sure these are essential from, the last couple years of crashing out and going back and forth over these things. So we just completely move them out the way. Yeah, I got that here. Must draw support and resistance before trading the stock. Yeah, I'm done with it, bro. I gotta have my stop loss, man. My buy condition. So you talking about this entry criteria? Yeah, mapping out levels for sure, Trey. Um, if I only trade at support, meaning these yellow lines that I draw in pre-market, then I think this is enough. Right. I will. I will. I'm only trading my support levels. Period. Like, I really want my green arrows to be right on the line. I want to I want to pass up this and wait for this. That's where it's at. And I think this does that. Like, requiring the higher low or the double bottom. Also, uh, okay. This almost feels like it's gonna be easy. It's so hard. It's so hard. It's so hard to control yourself. Yeah, that's the whole game. The whole game, bro. Self-control. I may need to fast on fast November, bro. I mean December. Just like fast the whole month, bro. Lock all the way in. That would be locked all the way in. That would be next level. Um You said go over the last few charts this month. Pick a random day. All right, we can do that. That's one cool, super cool things about Zendu Scanner. They keep their scanners up on YouTube, so you can go back and look at any day and check it out. Yeah. Straight up, Trey. Straight up. I really think that if I do that, bro, it's gonna save me so much. Like if I only had KTTA and ADTX today. I mean, I'd still be red, but I only be red 1R. I really want to stay away from the the resistance turn support trades. These be killing me. I would be green if I had direction. Okay, explain that to me in this context. It's below VWAP. What is this 200 EMA, bro? Yeah, see, I don't like that already, bro. Self-proclaimed. Yeah, I don't see nothing good on this chart with that 200 EMA unless you're looking at a different time frame. Only trade there. Oh, okay. That makes more sense. Yeah, I like the support better. Yeah. I ain't changing nothing, Knives. I'm just curious. I'm just curious. I love what I got going on. It feels so right to me, for me. Uh, I just changed my system today. All right, let's see here. Zendu scan. Um, all right, let's look here. Oh, but I can't go back that far. So let's go back like 2 days. Even though I'm really gonna remember what all right, this is 2 days ago. This was MNDR day. I probably got the chart already marked up. It's gone. Did MNDR get delisted? There it is. What about this is so hard to do. Did I trade this? See, I would count this as a double bottom. Like we got the climactic volume into the support level, makes another low, then we get another low. That's like this is, even though they're back to back, this is double bottom to me. It's like a quadruple bottom actually, but yeah, I would like to, but you don't really see the volume come in until you get this spike. So then I would kind of be waiting for the low. I think the entry that I would strictly take would be this. If I really trusted the level though, there's just no really any volume coming in yet until here. And now you've missed the entry, but 271 would be nice. Like here, this is super obvious right here, pre-market. Still not getting the volume coming in like I want though, but that might be where that tape come in. And then where would I sell? It's got to be at the next resistance level. Yeah, if I'm getting in here, I'm definitely wanting to sell back up towards the highs, but hopefully I would sell this big volume pop. I gotta sell that. If I get in down here, I'm automatically looking at this high right here, and then I'm looking at this high, and then I'm looking at this high. So these are my soft targets. Of course, I want to get to this yellow line, but when I say, where's my little notepad at? When I say must sell at previous resistances, that's what I mean. Like, okay, this is a high, this is a high, so I want to get sales through those because those are rejection areas. Yeah, no doubt. This would be an area. This is kind of the sketchy spot where I don't like it trading support, but I mean, it really moved up into this area. So then we get this climactic move down into support, big volume, and then we wait for the higher low. And we can enter right here, stop under resistance. That would be great. And I don't know if I'd want to sell this pop. It would be a good pop to sell, but I'd probably be holding my breath, hoping to squeeze a little higher, maybe to this high. That's about the same. You kind of got to sell that. Yeah, I think you got to sell that through 314-ish, which was what the high of this candle. And yeah, then it's kind of the sales are semi-discretionary, but I'm looking towards the past highs. So yeah, all my sales are just looking at previous highs and wanting to sell when we get back to them, because that's definitely a spot where it would be likely to turn around, you know. Cool. All right, so we get to this level, climactic move into the level. Then I would be waiting for the higher low, but we get a lower low. Actually, I might have tried that right there. But it's below the level two. But I mean, hmm. What's this look like? This is where I would want to look to the 5 and the 15 and see what it's looking like. What time is this? 11:55. Oh, so that's this. No. Oh, okay, let's keep going. Oh, I'm tripping. I gotta go. I gotta go a couple days back. Yeah, we're at 25. Oops. All right, so 11:55. Yeah, this is pretty nasty on the 5. It's super backside. Yeah. Oh, and it's after 11. So I'm done after that anyway. But this is super backside. I need to write that down. Yeah, it definitely looked interesting seeing it on the higher time frame. I didn't like it on the one at all, but yeah, I see that. Next chart. What do we have? SPRC. This day. This was the 25th as well. No. Did we not trade this on the 25th? Okay, that definitely wasn't on the 25th. Uh, Maybe MNDR will come up now. Didn't really have that much volume though. Where's my levels on this? It's nowhere. It would have to be this day, 21st. Look at the trades today. Yeah, I guess we could do that too. This is a bit cumbersome though. We back testing. Is this back testing? Okay, we got a little spot up here now. All right, so yeah, we got the climactic move down into the support. Higher low. Lower volume a little. I mean, yeah. What the tape will be looking like right here. This looks pretty good though. Nice push up and then light on the pullback. I think I'd want to mess with that. Entry over this candle, stop under the low. Be looking to sell into the whole dollar for sure. And then these highs, I feel like I traded this. Looks super familiar. Yeah, it's close enough. That's why I wait for the higher low to see if it wants to push down or not. If it wants to keep pushing down. And I don't know how tight this line was. If I just a lot of times if I just set it on the hourly, it won't necessarily be to the penny. So we just get kind of an area. For sure, I'd want to sell into that high, but we got the four that we're gonna cross $4. My entry would be 375 ish. Stop would be about 10 cent. So yeah, I gotta sell through the whole dollar, $4. So that would probably be my first target. Might catch the squeeze. Yeah, it'd be nice to get a sell through these highs, but through the $4 would be my first target, and then I'd be looking for one of these highs over here to sell through, preferably high a day. And then after that, I'm just selling volume at that point. Once I get through the clear levels, then I'm selling volume pops, VWAP maybe. Okay, this is a pretty good push into that level, so I feel like this pullback could be approachable. Big move into the level. Hammer time. Now, with these, like this gives you the higher low, but then it makes the high too. So if it made the low first, I could see myself buying the break of the high of this candle that it opened from and getting in there with my stop here. If I wait and try to enter here, I definitely don't like it as much because my entries are way above support. Here I can get it. I mean, the best spot is to just buy that joint right there. Only buy under VWAP. That's a crazy take for me anyway. But interesting. Yeah, and then we're getting towards 11 o'clock. It's a pretty big climactic move. Highest volume of the day. I think you got to walk away after that. You got to walk away after that. I think the only thing VWAP is doing on my chart is giving me a super obvious level that I know a lot of people are looking at. And so if I'm definitely wanting to sell into that level. That's kind of what VWAP is there for right now, is to sell. Let's go to yesterday. It's kind of hard going through all these scrolling back in DOS is not the funnest for me anyway. I'm sure I could set up some hotkeys to make it a little more smooth. PW, I don't remember PW. It's SPRC. I guess I did trade it. I got levels for it. This is really good practice, Knives. Like just seeing, okay, climactic volume into a level and just walking through that over and over again. This is, I like this. Bruh. All right, here we go. I feel like I might have traded this pre-market up in here. It's a trip how you can remember these charts. I think I bought here too. Let's see. This is the nicest, huge dip into the level, bought up quite tremendously. And then you wait for the higher low, which I mean, it just keeps testing this low, but you need an entry. Here's your entry right here. And I would just put my stop 2 cents under these lows. Probably sell the top of this candle. Yeah. I'm positive I traded this. Where's my screenshot? Nah. I'm blaming pre-market unjustly. Dang, did I not screenshot it? I might have just dropped it in the Discord. I know I traded that joint. I probably sent it to you, huh, Trey? Maybe not. All right, whatever. Yeah, I think we traded the mess out of that though. That was nice. Man, it's getting very clear. It's getting very clear. This is a very good exercise, man. I appreciate you, Knives. See what we got over here. Climactic move down. Didn't quite make it to support, but something's holding, yeah. Then we got a lower low, double bottom. Could have really got in here. But there's definitely doubt. So being patient would pay off for real. Can let it chop around a little bit, come back down to that same place, and then you see some volume come in. Now it's exciting. See some volume come in, big push up, new high. Well, I guess it's still 307. It looks higher though for some reason. And then you wait for the higher low after that. Now you got a super sweet entry right here. I think I took that too. Damn, I didn't keep that. That's crazy. Ah, here it is. Look at that. I took those trades. That's cool. Yo, we ate SPRC today. On this day. Took it again right here. Only problem was I didn't sell. Look at that. That's cool. That's cool. All right, man. I think I gotta wind this thing down. I gotta make some runs before Friday prayer. Ugh. This is it though. Monday. We in the big, back in the big leagues Monday. Think we got a good set of rules. Feeling very confident about trading off of support. Like basically everything that I've been doing this whole time, just focusing it in at support on one of the two best stocks of the day. Yeah, I actually just bought my replay journal back over Black Friday, so I'm planning to get some replay trades in um all weekend. All weekend. Yeah, I'm gonna be all up in this replay journal. Shoot, might go live Sunday morning and just do some replay trading with y'all. But yeah, I want this to be. It would be very nice to be the last time I need to deposit money into my account. That would be cool. Yeah, I agree with that 100%. If you find VWAP, you can find where to enter or know your entry. Yeah, I used to. Oh yeah, no doubt, bro. No doubt. Job is not done. This is yeah, no doubt, Trey. No doubt. I'm a super believer. It's clear. It's very clear that that's the way I need to move forward. Um yeah, it's super clear. I just got to be able to be patient. And now, like this process, knives of walking through these trades and seeing, looking for what I'm looking for, which is the big moves into support. You're not blocked, bro. You're good. We just everybody got to know. You got to switch to live chat so we can all be here together. Um, yeah, man. I think we got all the ingredients. It's just I gotta walk the system, man. I just gotta trade the system. I gotta trade the system. Yeah, I might have to come in fasting on Monday. Yeah, we'll see. All right, y'all. I'm getting out of here, man. Appreciate y'all hanging out. Super productive day, man. Um, that's funny, focus. I mean, nice. Super productive day. Um, hopefully, I got a lot of these wild trades out of my system. I definitely clicked that button a lot today. But we made some good adjustments for next week. And yeah, man, I'm excited, bro. All right, y'all, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Y'all have a great weekend. Go back over old charts. Yeah, no doubt. Map levels over and over. Yeah, that's solid, Trey. That's solid. We got to rap about that all weekend. ADTX looks like she ready. But yeah, I'm out here. Y'all be cool, man. Peace.